Thank you for joining us. I'm Kevin Yamada, Creative Director at Studio 637, and this is the Marshall CV502-MB. We love the Marshall CV502 camera because it has great image quality, it's small and discreet, and it's loaded with a ton of great features. The first thing you'll notice about this camera is that it's small. It's only 2.5 inches from the front of the lens to the back of the SDI connector. Its small form factor and its black finish makes it the perfect camera to put right in the action, but without being in the way. The CV502 sports a 2.5 megapixel sensor and a very wide 3.7 millimeter M12 mount lens. This means you can easily replace the lens in case it gets damaged. On the back of this camera, there's a 3G SDI connection, composite video, power, RS485, power indicator light, and a joystick for navigating the on-screen menus. In the menu, you have full control over almost all the settings, including digital zoom, image stabilization, dynamic range, mirroring, and vertical flip. There's also a night mode that changes the image to black and white and lets infrared light through. Thank you for watching. For more information, check out marshall-usa.com.